I will crop this image, make it perfect. It's pretty perfect in the camera. You don't have to do too much. Make it straight. We take it a little bit into liquify. I always use layers. Command J, and then I go into liquify a little bit. We don't have to do lots of liquify. Besides, I want to bring this one up a bit and this up a bit here and at the end, so I don't see that. To make it a little bit more straight. Beautiful. Love that. I'll leave the pillow as it is because it was a cheesecloth. Let me see if I can pull his chin a little bit so he doesn't look so grumpy. Just tiny bit here. Cool. And then we've done that, and then we do the action. I flatten the image. I go beauty blender. You can try smooth finish, you can try the flaking out. For me, smooth blender does the job. And let's put it at 60% from start, the brush. So when I shoot with my light, you can see how I have this little patch in there of light. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my light to come on the nose, have a shadow over the other side of the nose, but I want a little bit of light on that cheek. Isn't that cool? So let's go with that lower a bit. Love that. Then you can go and take this little flake out. If he had more flakes, you could have used flaking out, but I don't need to use that because he's pretty perfect. Light, good presets, pretty much 2 minutes on each picture and you're done. So let's put a little bit of pink cheeks and pink lips, and that's from apple seeds, just so we do it differently. So all these actions, you can do the same thing. There are so many ways you can do the same thing. And then I will do my sharpening, 15%, not more than that, maximum 20 if you really want to, but not more than that. Beautiful. I think he looks super scrumptious. And yourself. Now you can add in here also your hazy drop if you want. I could. Let's see if it will look good. Sometimes if it's a white backdrop and I have wood around, I don't do it, but we can try it out. The whole purpose is to drag the attention to your baby, so it's a little bit a lot, and we will take it off from the baby as usually, but we leave it on the wrap. So it's about 13%. And your camera settings, which mine was 1.8, a good light, and with this haze around the entire image, if you squint your eyes, you can see that the entire image pulls towards the baby. What you can do, if you're not sure what is the hottest spot of the image, you can do a Command J, and if you go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you blur the heck out of this image, now you could see what is the most lit part of the image, and you can see it's his face, and that's what we want. A little bit of this wrap too. So what you can do, you could take that highlight down if you want. So there is a highlight killer right here, and you can paint over that and drop it down. Here you go. For me it's a little bit too much drop down, so I will reduce that, and in this way it's only the baby's face. Even though I really love that patch, didn't bother me too much, but let's fix it in this way. The baby is in focus, and that's it. So pretty much I don't do anything else besides the small steps. Presets, bring it in Photoshop, and I do my skin editing, my crop, my liquify if I have to. I add a little bit of redness in the cheek if I have to, remove extra pimples if they have any, and then I add the sharpening and that little haze, and we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on skin editing, and I will see you in the next one.